Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome to Time with Dr. William. As you already know, this is Better Life Worldwide, Time with Dr. William. Today, we are going to look at essential topic. It's enviness. When you talk of envy, what does it mean? You know, enviness comes within the heart. What you think, what goes in your heart. There are a lot of people, when they see somebody progressing, when they see their friend going higher, instead of them to ask them, instead of them to say, my good friend, what did you do to obtain this? What happened? I mean, can you help me also? They started to hate the person. They started to backbite the person. They started to envy the person. You know, let us change our life. Change your thought. Deal with your heart. You know, we have this Adamic nature. It is within us. This nature is within us. It is natural. We were born with it. But when you grow up, the moment you are being born, okay, there is one thing you need to do with your life. That is what? Your heart. Deal with your heart. Enviness. Deal with it. It will never help you. It brings distractions. It brings hatred. It damages your life. You are envying somebody. You are thinking about somebody. You are plotting and planning how to bring somebody down. You are causing your own problem. Every day you don't grow, you don't progress because you are thinking of somebody. You are thinking and planning of how to bring this person down. Stop enviness. Deal with yourself. Life is a journey. When you help somebody to go higher, you also go higher. God bless those who help themselves. God help those who help themselves. If you see somebody going higher, why not approaching the person and ask, what can I also do? Or why not sitting down and say, wow, this person is doing well. What can I also do to progress in life? Not that you now think of plotting how to bring the person down, start by biting the person, speaking things which are not true about the person, going to unnecessary praises, to what do you call it, to malam and to rituals and the rest. Deal with your life. Life is once. Plan yourself. Deal with your heart. Talk to God that, Lord, everything that is inside me that makes me hate somebody, take it off from me. Take away with enviness, hatred in my heart. Help your friend. If your friend, look at these two things. This is you and this is your friend. Your friend is standing here, you are also coming. Now, he stand, he can't go. Instead of you to help him or her to move so that he can also come, for you want to come and push him away. It doesn't work that way. Take your time. Be humble. Learn. Don't be so proud of yourself. Proudness will not send you anywhere. Learn, plan, act, invest in yourself, invest in knowledge, read. Don't be so proud to ask somebody. Ask them and they will teach you. Stop enviness, stop envying people. It won't help you. Learn, be humble, be prayerful, be God-fearing, and God will help you. Deal with your heart. Change for your enviness. Stop backbiting somebody, and God will help you. My name is Dr. William. See you next time.